thing, if he can win this competition, he gets a $300 bonus. Yeah, man, get down there and work it back. That's what I want to see. I want to see somebody get down there by that fence.
You just want to see somebody not land in the mud.
They're not going to go in the mud if they got to get a good straight shot and plenty of power. And a beautiful shot would be to do a combo. Come hit the car, get in the flat, hit the tire. Oh! Wow!
Oh, and lands it.
Sweet, he almost had it. There you go. Get down there, man, and get.
$30 seconds left.
All right, you're done.
Uh-oh, he's thinking
He's
about
not. Here we go.
it. He's thinking about it.
Almost. It's still running? Go, baby, go. Still going. There you go. You got it. 10 seconds. Burn it down. Burn it up. Oh, man, that thing, he is lucky shifting back on the wheels now. Yes, sir. All right. Oh, yeah.